Yo, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to another banger on the channel. In today's video, we're going to be installing spacers on the Camry. I'm going to show you guys what the wheels looking like right now. They look pushed in, but we got 15mm spacers for all around. It's going to look crazy. The car is aired up, so don't worry about the ride height, all that. It's literally on air suspension for those that don't know. But we're going to go ahead, put the spacers on, air it down to a normal ride height, see how it looks. Make sure I don't rub or anything. But yeah, let me show you guys what the car looks like right now. Let's get straight to it. Like I said, guys, the car is aired up, so don't worry about the fitment. But this is what the fronts are looking like right now. Let's get a better view from here. This is what the front looks like. This is what the rear looks like. As you guys can see, again, it's aired up right now so we can get the jack under the car. So don't worry about the fitment. But yeah, this is what the car's looking like. We're about to go ahead and install them right now. And yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think. We got the front of the car jacked up. All right, you guys, we got the wheel off finally. We're about to go put the spacers on. I can't wait to show you guys. This is what the spacer looks like. You guys already know, I told you already. This is 15mm for all around the car. I can't wait to see how it's gonna look in the finished product. But yeah, man, let's get straight to it. All right, you guys, we got the wheel back on. This is what it looks like. It's way more out. Look, it's literally perfect. Looks like it's gonna be fender to lip. But we're gonna go ahead and do the other side while the car's still jacked up, and I'll show you guys the finished product for the front. Now we got this side of the front on. We're gonna go ahead and move on to the rear. But yeah, you guys can already see a huge difference on how it looks. Can't wait till I can air it down at my ride height and see what the difference really is. Let's get straight to it. We just finished one of the rears. Take a look at how it looks. It's literally pushed out. Oh my god, I was thinking about getting 20s too. That would have been crazy. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys thinking so far. Let's finish the other side and show you guys the full finished product. Now we just finished this side. We're gonna go ahead, air down the car, show you guys the full finished product, see what you guys think. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. The spacers, was it worth it or not? Let's get it. It is now a couple days later. The sun's beaming at me. You guys can see I got the Camry right behind me, but we're gonna go over the whole car. I wanted to wait because that day, if you guys didn't know, we hosted our first ever KBTuning car meet. It went amazing. Shout out to everybody that did pull up. Appreciate you all. But I couldn't really get good videos of how the car looks with the spacers on, so we're gonna go ahead and show you guys a full thing now. The sun's beaming, which honestly is amazing. So you guys see the car. It's very dirty. I haven't washed it in a long time, so don't mind how dirty the car is. But let me show you guys how it looks like now with the spacers, and let's get straight to it. I don't know if you guys can really tell anything from this angle, but let me know how the car looks. This is the ride height that the car would normally be at if I didn't have the spacers on. So guys, don't think this is gonna be the fitment I'm gonna be driving around all the time, because the car does rub now when I go down driveway, stuff like that. If you guys saw earlier in the video, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how the wheels look. Is it too pushed in still? Let me know. But this is how the front is. It's like kind of fender to lip, but not really. We might have to get 20mm for the front, but let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Look at the rear. It's still a little bit pushed in. We definitely need to go a little more out, but don't get me wrong, guys, it definitely looks amazing. Look at that. It's literally almost fender to lip. It would have been perfect if it was, but it's all good. But yeah, let's back up a little bit, show you guys a couple different angles of how the car looks. But yeah, man, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. The car literally looks like it has some camber, but it's just the natural regular camber, but it looks like a wide body from the rear. But yeah, I think I'm gonna get 20mm for all around. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. But yeah, man, this thing's looking amazing. Honestly, it's always looked amazing. I wish I could drive at this fitment. If I'm going local, I'll definitely keep it at this fitment. But if I'm going on the highway or anything like that, if I hit like a little sewer, then the car will definitely rub because there's not much space between the tire and the fender. But it's all good. The car's looking amazing. You guys already know. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. If you guys want to see any types of new videos, whatever videos you guys want to see me do, let me know. I'm gonna keep dropping POV drives, all that good stuff. But guys, we have a surprise coming to the channel. Give us some time. For those of you that can guess, then you can guess. But I'm not gonna go ahead and say it yet. We're gonna showcase everything that we're gonna do soon. But yeah, man, love you all. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you guys enjoyed, smash the like button, subscribe if you are new, because a lot of you are not subscribed, but you're watching my videos, so it would help me out. I'd appreciate it. But yeah, guys, as always, I love you all. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, leave a comment down below what video you guys want to see me do next, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.